Good day, everyone. Okay, I'd like to show us how to make transfer of coin to an exchanger or a merchant during the inksMarket. As you all know, we will be attending to many persons, many people during the inksMarket. Okay, and we won't have anyone to waste time unnecessarily. Before you join any line in the inksMarket, you are expected to know what you are buying there and how much you are spending there. So what you will need to do is copy the wallet address of the exchanger or merchant, go to your account and make payment. Okay, I will show us how fast, the easiest way to copy the wallet address and make payment. Okay, now what you have to do first is get a QR code scanner that will enable you to scan the code on the exchanger's PIN card, or if he has printed it already, you can scan it from a paper. Okay, now when you go to your Google Play Store, type QR code scanner. The QR there stands for quick response code scanner. Okay, I already have this one installed, the first one. If you don't have it, you can install it from Google Play Store, and when you've installed it, open it. When you open the scanner, it will activate your camera. Okay, as you can see, my camera has been activated. You take it straight to the code at the PIN card or the paper if the exchanger has printed it already. Okay, this is mine. Take it there and place it. It will scan automatically, and as you can see, it has picked my wallet address. Okay, instead of waiting for the person to send you the wallet address, this is what to do to pick the wallet address by yourself. Click and hold to copy the address, or you can use the copy icon that is here. Okay, when you've done that, you go to the browser, the website inksnation.bao.io. When it opens, you log in, put your username and your password, and your account is open. You are good to go to make your transactions and have other people attended to. Okay, let's wait for the system to build a little. Okay, we are on it. Okay, here we go. Alright, now we click on login to enable us log into the account we want to make the transaction from. Don't mind me, the system is kind of wasting a little bit of time, hanging and something. Okay, we are good to go. Okay, you allow the system to take you to the login section. Now we are here in the login section. We put the username and the password we want to make the transaction from. The account is opening, and we are in the account. As you all know, everyone has been verified, whether you have inputted your BVN or not. That's to allow everyone to participate in the inksMarket. This is how real inksMarket is. The reason that BVN pop-up is no longer here is because there is no payment gateway in Nigeria that is able to carry the traffic that is coming from inksNation. Okay, all the three payment gateways we've tried, all of them have failed because they are not able to carry the population that is coming from inksNation to their website. Okay, that is why they are failing. And because of that, to enable everybody to participate in the inksMarket, UDI has to verify everyone by himself. Okay, I believe after the inksMarket, the BVN verification may still continue to enable us to do our verification properly. Okay, now you are in the account. Your spendable balance is where you are buying from. Okay, you click on exchange and choose option from here. You are transferring to an exchanger or user, not to your DRCB. You choose that. Okay, your wallet address that you have copied already, you paste it in the wallet address section here. You click and hold. It will ask you if you want to paste. Say yes, paste it. The wallet address is here now. Okay, by then you might have known what you are buying and how much it costs. What you are buying and how much it costs, you put amount. Let's say I want to buy goods worth of 10,000 naira. I put 10,000 naira here. Like you can see, it's here. I put my PIN. As I put my PIN, I send, and that's just it. The transaction will say successfully, and the exchanger will receive it automatically. You pick your goods and go. Okay, why I make this video is to enable us know all this. Now as you can see, you need to copy the wallet address and be in your account and wait for your turn. Okay, don't wait for when it gets to your turn before you go and copy the wallet address. Copy the wallet address and have it, so that when it gets to your turn, it won't take you 30 seconds rather, to make your payment and pick your goods, to enable us attend to many persons. Thank you very much. Happy wonderful inksMart in advance, and Merry Xmas in advance as well.